What's good, family? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. Yesterday was Sunday, so I posted a day in life and I gave an insight of what is going to happen in this market. So, those of you that watched that video, yeah, you know what I'm about to say in this video, but still just watch to the end and support your boy. Make sure you like this video and watch the end, subscribe, share this video to all your friends. That you can't join the family, right? Let's go. Now, this is Euro USD. I do analysis on this pair every Monday. This is Euro USD and also USD card, right? There are two pairs I do analysis for, Euro USD and USD card. I try and analyze the market to see where the next possible direction this market is going to go for the week. Let's go. Now, yeah, this is my screen. So this is the monthly time frame, right? So before we do anything, we have to first of all come to Baba Monthly. Baba Monthly has to tell us where the market, where is the general market flow. Is it an upward trend or a downward trend? Now, this market normally is creating higher highs, is going up, meaning that in the future it is most likely going to buy, right? But this market, right, on the monthly time frame cannot give us the current direction of the market. This is the long-term direction. So let's not come. This is what our focus is, right? This is what our focus is. This from this point like this is our focus, right? This is our focus. Yeah, all these candlestick. This was February, this was March, this was April, May, June, and this was last month, July, and this is August, right? So if you check all the everything it has been doing, right, it has been buying, selling, it has been going up, going down. Like, do you understand? So generally, this market has been selling towards the downward side. Now, is the market because there are possibilities that this market can continue dropping and get to this level before it start buying, which is this particular level here, right? Let's say this level before I start buying towards the upward side. Do you understand? But inside there, so there is also this particular level here. There's also a resistance, sorry, a support level here that is waging the market. Now you won't see this clearly. It is until we go to the weekly time frame. Let's go to Mama Weekly. Now, this is the weekly time frame, and if you have to come to the weekly time frame, you notice that the market it has bounced off this level multiple times. This was the first touch, the second touch, although the market didn't get to this level around here, but it still bounced off. Then came to this level, bounced off, came to this level, and this is what is happening right now. It's bouncing off towards the upward side, right? So is this market going to retrace from this level and start selling towards the downward side, or is it going to continue going up and get to this level and then, because like this now, this is a range, right? This is the rangy market. Do you understand? This particular market is a rangy market, and from the monthly time frame, we said that this is what our focus is, like this, right? If I'm not mistaken, this is what our focus is. Do you understand? If you check this in fact, this one is even the main one we should even be focusing on, this particular market. So this particular one, do you get? Now let's now go to the daily time frame to see if this market is going to continue buying. Let's now look at the current trend of the market. Let's now look at the current trend of the market. Let's go to the daily time frame. Sorry, let's go to the daily time frame. Very good. This one will give a better explanation, right? So if you check now, I called a trade that was like last week, right? Or was it last week or last 2 weeks? I said that the market, if it gets to this level, it was going to sell. It sold. I said that it might sell to this particular point, but it didn't get to this point, and that is where it later got to this point and started buying towards the upward side. Do you understand? Now, if you check this particular level, it's creating lower highs and lower lows. The highs are getting lower. The highs are getting lower. Do you understand? The highs are the highest point it gets to before it drops. The lows are the lowest point it gets to before it starts buying. Highs are the highest level it gets to before it starts selling. Right? At any point you see that the red candle start dropping down, the highest level it got to is the high. Any point you see that the market start buying from, the lowest point it gets to is the low. Now, is the highs getting higher or is getting lower? It kind of depends. Sorry, as I was saying, right? The highs are the highest level the market gets to before it start dropping, while the lows are the lowest level the market gets to before it start buying. So the question now is the highs getting higher or is it getting lower? Is the lows getting higher or is it getting lower? I'm not trying to teach you guys market structure, but for those of you that don't understand, this is what I'm trying to explain, right? So if the highs are getting lower and the lows are getting lower, meaning that the market is selling, and this is what has been happening since. And if you notice, right, I said that in the weekly time frame, there is a resistance level at this point here, right? At this point here, there's a resistance level at this point here, and this resistance level is where the market got to, and it's now looking like this whole downward trend wants to start buying towards the upward side. So most likely it is smart to start looking for buys towards the upward side, because if you check the market has broken, it has created a new high, right? This was the previous high, which is a lower high. Now that's created a higher high, right? So what is best for us is to wait and see if the market is going to create a low. But if this market power should start going down and break this low, right, that means the market is coming to this particular level in the long run. Do you understand? But most likely, what is going to happen is that the market is going to make a 50% retracement of this move here. So I'm still expecting that particular move, right? So I'm still expecting that the market is going to drop to around somewhere this level here, to this zone here. The market is going to drop to this zone, right? Most likely. So this week, I'm expecting the market to drop to this zone. So how do I know that this market is going to drop to that zone? And if the market drop to that zone, it's a good thing. It's not that the market must drop to that zone. So the market dropped to around that zone. So around the 50% to 0.618%. Around this zone here. That's what I'm expecting the market to drop to. So around that zone, if the market is able to tap this level, from this level now, I'll be looking forward to buy the market towards the upward side, right? With my entry strategy. If it gives me an entry strategy, if you give me an entry, like if this setup, because my setup, this is my setup now like this, right? This is my setup. My setup is if the market is able to drop down to this level here, I will buy, like, it depends on what it does here. Then I'll buy towards the upward side. So for some persons, if they see a candlestick pattern, they'll buy. Some persons, if they see a chart pattern, they'll buy, right? And do not listen to those motherfuckers telling you that chart pattern is for beginner, candlestick is for beginner. Don't not start telling you one stupid concept. Alchemist, one, bro. Don't listen to those guys. Just focus on what you already know. In FOREX, simple things are what makes you money. Easy. Simple things are what makes you money. Do not try to complicate things. Do not try to bring in terms from one. Bro, I'm just telling you, this is my setup for the week. Yeah, so let's go to USD card. So USD card is kind of similar. So let's just start USD card from the daily time frame, right? So USD card, for those of you that have been following, right, you notice that, oh, I've been saying that this market, right? This market's not like this. You know what's crazy? You can just start buying towards the upward side. Like the market can literally just start buying like this and continue buying. This can just be a double bottom, or it can break. It can get to a certain level and then start selling towards the downward side. So let me go to the 4 hours. I want to see something, because you know why I'm saying I said like that is because there was a kind of a resistance level at this point. Let me take out this particular level. Okay, let me take out that level. So let me take out this one. Now this market normally is selling towards the downward side. So that means we're most likely going to be seeing a sell this week, right? So, but inside there is a support level here. This market can just start buying, right? Can just start buying to this particular level here, right? But this is the level we are expecting it to get to, and then start dropping towards the downward side. Do you understand? Gets to this level, probably a little bit above it, right? Tapping some source around here. Take out some people that already buying, that already take out some kind of stop loss, people that are already wanting to sell, right? People will call it market manipulation, but it is not actually market manipulation. So if you get to this particular level, then start selling towards the downward side. But it can get to this particular level, break it, and continue buying towards the upward side. Do you understand? But I'll only be looking to buy this market if it takes out this particular level. Because right now, I'm more of into sell than buying. Do you understand? Although there is a support level here, I feel like this market is going to break that support level. So FOREX is not 100% certain. Anything can happen. Do you understand? So my outlook for this week is for the market to get to this particular level, to this zone here. On Friday, the funny thing is that on Friday I'll still come. If the trade didn't go well, or if the analysis didn't go well, I'll still come and say it didn't go well. If it goes well, I'll still come and say it goes well. So I'm expecting the market to get to this level and start selling. That is it, bro. There's nothing more than that. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Tomorrow I'll be posting another video. I'll be doing a challenge trying to flip a small trading account. Right? I know I dropped part 2 of the video. I didn't drop part 3. I didn't drop part 1 rather. What am I even saying, guys? I dropped part 1. I didn't drop part 2 of me trying to flip that small $100 account, right? I'm not using this. This is a swing strategy. I go to the lower time frame to trade that particular small account, right? So let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this analysis. Do you think this trade is going to hit SL? I seen that SF. TikTok don't master me. Anyways, I'll see you on Monday regarding this analysis. Fuck. Anyways, I'll see you on Friday regarding this analysis. Love you guys. Bye for now.